Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Dreamy Glow effect. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is duplicate your image by pressing Command J or Control J on PC. Go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter. Set the exposure to 0, set the contrast to 32, the highlights to -36, and the shadows to 15, and the whites to 12. Go down to the color section, put the temperature to 13, the tint to 16, the vibrance to 19, go to effects, put the texture to -19, the clarity to -18, put the haze to 33, and put the vignette to -25%. Press OK. Duplicate this layer by pressing Command J, or on PC Control J, put the blending mode to lighten, go to Filter, Blur, and select Gaussian Blur. Now, depending on the quality of your picture, the more Gaussian blur you will need. As you can see, for my picture, 5 to 7 pixels is completely enough. Press OK. Create a layer mask, grab the brush tool, make sure black is selected as your color, put the flow to 10, color over her skin, so she can stick out better. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.